Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can fix the could not sign in error or App Store issue in your Apple device. First, let's open Settings and check that your internet connection is working properly. Ensure there's no connected VPN. If there is, disconnect it. Then go back, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone password and reset the network settings once. Once done, shut down your iPhone for 15 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue persists, open Settings again, tap on your profile, scroll down, sign out of your ID, and then sign back in. And by doing this, your authentication failed error should be fixed. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!